Today on Tanaka Homestead, we are going to plant elephant garlic. So I purchased my elephant garlic this year from Haas Tools. I've never used them before, but I'm excited. It seems like they're a pretty good company and they have good reviews. Elephant garlic is actually not a true garlic. It is a leek and it resembles a larger hardneck garlic. Tastes great, still has all the same health benefits. It's a little bit more mild in flavor, but they're still delicious nonetheless. When you're considering elephant garlic, remember these cloves are pretty big. They're about 1.5 to 2 inches long. When you place them in the ground, you want to make sure the root side is down and the pointy part is up. And you want to make sure you have about 2 to 3 inches of soil above them in order for them to grow. The soil needs to be loose and well drained, and you want to make sure you don't overwater these, but they get about 1 inch of water or so a week. When you plant these in the ground, you want to make sure they're spaced about 8 to 12 inches apart, and the rows themselves are about 12 to 24 inches apart, or 1 to 2 feet. They grow big. You know, when you plant this, you're going to expect the development of cloves around this. So when you consider the size, you want to make sure you have enough space for them to actually grow. This garlic, though, remember, it takes a pretty long time, about 180 to 210 days to mature. But it's well worth it, and they're pretty easy to maintain and grow. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to amend the soil with Black Cow compost, which I use often and I've had no issues with and like, but you can certainly choose the compost of your liking. I'm going to dig my furrows, and then I'm going to add bone meal, which is an excellent source of calcium and phosphorus and promotes good root growth. And then I'm going to add blood meal, which is a great source of nitrogen. Here are my 2 furrows. I know that they are 4 inches deep because the trowel that I use has markers on there, which is always very helpful. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my bone meal and my blood meal. I'm going to mix it up on the bottom, and then I'm going to start placing my garlic about 8 to 12 inches apart. So now I have all my garlic about 4 inches down in the furrow, and I'm gonna put the dirt over it, and I'm gonna make sure there's about 2 to 3 inches of soil above each tip of my garlic cloves. So I just got finished planting all of my elephant garlic. I am very excited to see how they turn out. I'm sure in 5 to 6 weeks I will start to see some growth, but I am eager to come back out and check. Thank you so much for watching our channel. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. Happy gardening. Bye-bye.